So recently, Nail Order pinged me a little message on Instagram telling me about their latest release. The product honestly sounded too good to be true, like genuinely incredible, and they asked me if I wanted to try it. And I was like, yeah. I was sitting there thinking, oh my god, I need to get my hands on this. So fast forward a few days and this teeny tiny little box arrives at my door. Inside we have a little message from Nail Order. I love a little personalised note. Can we talk about how Nail Order always includes a little packet of rainbow drops in their parcels? It's such a cute touch. Not really my thing, but Reese was buzzing, so at least someone enjoyed them. The star of the show, we have Nail Order's Synergel. They also included one of their new style brushes, which we're gonna definitely have to try out, as well as their recently launched Got Milk cuticle oil, and I can already tell it's going to smell like a coconutty, holiday, vibey dream. I was itching to open up that box, try the Synergel and film this video, but I had a few ongoing projects which I had to finish first. But the second those were done and dusted, I soaked off my nails to finally try it out. When I removed my nails, I did manage to catch my thumb with the file, so I do have a little nick here. We can put Synergel to the test and see if it holds it. Now my nails are looking so good right now, right? The length, oh, love. I have already prepped my nails, shaped and etched the nail plate and done all my cuticle work. So I'm first going in with Nail Order's primer. Now something to bear in mind is that Nail Order recommends that you do not apply any cleansers, dehydrators or acetone to the natural nail after you've finished your prep, because this can over dehydrate the nail plate, therefore you might end up with lifting off the product. I'm just carefully applying that on all of my nails, making sure not to touch the skin. Now this is a non-cure product, so it does not need to go in the lamp. You're not going to see me do my thumb in this video because I was also filming a short or a reel of me using the Synergel as well, and I used my thumb for that. Speaking of my thumb, I'm sorry guys, are we all seeing this? Look at that thumbnail. The finish is so even, it's like the nail gods decided to bless me today. Like, how is that even my nail? Completely untouched, unrefined, just the miracle Synergel doing its thing. Insane. So let's talk Synergel. Synergel is a hybrid product, which basically means you've got options. You can use it as a base coat under other products such as Nail Order's Dura Gel or Angel Builder Gel, or wear it completely on its own as a standalone. It's designed to combine the strength of Builder Gel with the flexibility of a rubber base, so it gives your nails support without feeling bulky, which makes it a perfect product for you if you prefer thinner, more natural finish nails, but you still want that durability, so you can apply it thinner than Builder Gel, but you still get that support that your nails need. I am testing Synergel out as a builder gel, so here I am applying just a thin coat of it on all of my nails. I'm really pushing the product into the etchings that we've put on the natural nails. Throughout this video you will see me use my pinky nail just to sort of push my sidewall out of the way to allow me to get really close to that sidewall with product. Now, talking about the product, one thing that I dislike, yes, there is something I dislike, is this brush. You see the way I've just brought it out of the bottle and it's fat. Like, the brush is fat with products. It's a lot. It picks up a ton of products and the brush is quite wide anyway, so it can be a bit overwhelming. I have cured that base coat of Synergel in the lamp, and here I'm going in with a little slip layer before I go ahead and place a bit of a bead to kind of build this nail up a bit. The slip layer just helps to guide any product that you're about to apply on, so I'm applying the bulk of the product in the centre of the nail, and this is where that slip layer will sort of help to guide that product all around the nails. It'll just flood to where the rest of the product is. But you can go in with a long liner brush like this and just sort of tickle the product where you want it to go, and of course you can always turn your finger upside down and let gravity do its work as well. So just guide that product until you're happy with the application, and then I'm popping that nail into the lamp for a full cure. You can see quite a few air bubbles here, which I'm not really a fan of. That might have something to do with my application, as it's a new product for me, or maybe the fat chunky brush, the fact that it picks up a ton of product and then you're trying to get it off and whatnot. My natural nails do have a fair bit of length and I want to make sure that they are solid, so I am going to go in with another thin layer just to build my nails up a bit, applying my slip layer and then applying some product in the centre of the nail at the stress area where my nails are likely to bend. Synergel levels beautifully, so there is barely any touching up that I have to do. You can see how that blob has just completely disappeared into the nail. I am happy with that, so I'm popping that into the lamp to cure. We're still getting some air bubbles even with that second coat. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I think this is a good time to give their new brush, which they've included in my parcel, a little go. So I'm just wiping off the sticky residue on my index finger as well as my thumb, just so we're not making a mess. I'm trying to get as much product as possible off of the brush wand, so I'm just twirling, and then with my lint-free wipe I'm just yanking it off. It's really simple. And then grabbing our little pouch with the new brush, here she is. She is wonderful, like so soft, so flexible, yet so sturdy, and she's slightly longer than the original one as well, and you can just see the fibres of the brush, so much softer. So I'm just pushing that into the lid, giving it a good push, and to make sure it's definitely stuck in there, I'm just using a little tool to just sort of push it in there. There we go. Just as simple as that, and that looks so much better. Look how nice and fine that brush is. I was so excited to try this, so in she goes. So it took me a second to get used to the new brush as well, so just ignore this product pickup. So here I'm going in with the slip layer on my middle nail. Look at me pick up the product now with this new brush. It's like night and day. It took a second or two. What a difference compared to the original brush where you've just got a ton of product, you're spending forever trying to get it all off. So I'm just applying that over the slip layer and just dragging it down the nail, yada 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 yada, you know the drill. Now something to bear in mind with the Synergel is that it has a recommended cure thickness of 0.6mm. This means that each layer should be no more than 6mm thick according to Nail Order's website. Slightly more surface to cover on my middle nail, so I did go in with 2 blobs here and I am still within that guideline, so just tidying it up and in the lamp she goes. Again, some air bubbles but not as many as the index nail, so the new brush is definitely way better. Off topic, but guys, how good is this background? I'm so excited about it. It's giving such Nail Order vibes. Now once more, because I'm so here for the new brush, look at this pickup. So easy. Ta-da! On the new style brush listing on Nail Order's website, this is what Nail Order have to say about it. Our new, slightly thicker Builder Gel formula has inspired several of you to ask for a finer brush, and we have developed this new and improved style. We will roll it out in trial packs to hear your feedback before putting them into bottles permanently. Hallelujah! Yes, please do. That would be so good. Fits Nail Order 15g bottles. Pack of 5 is £1 excluding VAT, £1.20 including VAT. I normally work on one nail at a time and I cure it before moving on to the next one, but here I'm doing a little experiment to see if I can manage 2 nails without the product flooding into the cuticles or the sidewalls, and the answer is I can. You just need to work on both at the same time, keep the product controlled. Is it something I'm going to start practicing? Nah, probably not. I'm quite happy doing the one nail at a time. And here we have the finished application on all 5 of my nails. So I'm just going to wipe off the sticky residue now, and look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm just going to get up to speed on my other hand. Now I'm going to give you some close-ups of this brush in action, and bear in mind this is me using my non-dominant hand, so bear with me, but look at how close this brush can get to my cuticles. It's amazing. Like, just look at the application, it's so good. Another thing I wanted to mention about Synergel is that it is a soak-off product. It's UK made and it's part of Nail Order's -4 range, which means it's free from all the usual suspects like HEMA and DiHEMA. Synergel also has antifungal properties and the range comes in 10 shades and it's also available in Lucid, which is a clear. Can we get an amen? All jokes aside, I don't think Clear Builder Gel gets the recognition it deserves. I love Clear Builder Gel for being able to see through it and inspect the natural nail underneath. You can tell if there's any lifting, any air bubbles, if there's any bruising or problems of any kind. So here we have both my hands with the Synergel applied, unrefined. You could totally leave your nails like this if you wish. For me, I do like to refine. Now, this does not need a lot of refining at all because Synergel levels so well. I'll let you enjoy some of this ASMR. And here we have my gorgeous nails with the refined Synergel. Now this is in the shade Chaos, and let me tell you, it's the most gorgeous, nudie, proper classic French pink. So of course I had to finish these nails with a crisp French tip. Using Nail Order's gel polish in Blanc and these liner brushes which are from TikTok shop, link in description, and honestly, I highly recommend them. They make painting a French tip feel like a walk in the park. So the white I'm using, guys, this is as white as it gets. It's absolutely packed with pigment. I'm talking Tipex level pigment. You only need one coat of this stuff. It's such a game changer because the minute you start to layer French tips, you add bulk, and that can leave you with chubby looking tips, not the vibe. So the fact that Nail Order's Blanc delivers in one coat, a total dream. I am here for it. Applying a French tip directly onto the builder gel, I recommend using a really fine buffer to etch the surface of the nails first, just to avoid the gel polish bleeding into any filing lines. I did this off camera, and there's my finished French. I went for quite a high smile line just to complement the almond shaped nails. Last but not least, I am top coating my nails with Nail Order's top coat. Now you can truly see how effective that single coat of white French tip is. There is no rippling of the light reflection on the nails. The surface of the nails is super smooth and even. It's been a while since I've done a French on myself, and honestly, I just fall in love every time. Just such a nice, clean, classic look. You just can't go wrong with a French. Anyway, here I am applying my Got Milk cuticle oil, and guys, it just smells like a coconutty dream. Oh, so good. And here we are, the finished look. I mean, just look at those tips. Blanc is giving full-on bright white realness in just one coat. The finish, super smooth, no rippling in the light. Synergel has seriously impressed me. I really enjoyed how easy it was to apply. The self-leveling is 10 out of 10. The strength is there, the flexibility is there, and the fact that you can wear it alone or layer it up as a builder gel makes it such a versatile little addition to my collection. The shade Chaos is such a perfect nude pink base that really complements my skin tone, and honestly, I think it would look gorgeous on every skin tone. I did have a little issue with some bubbling at first, but I think that's just me getting used to a new product and its consistency. That said, the updated brush made a huge difference in smoothing things out and giving me more control. I'm a big fan of this updated brush. The application is noticeably smoother and more precise, and I really hope Nail Order decides to roll this one out across their entire range. Huge thank you to Nail Order for sending me this PR package. I had so much fun trying everything out, and I'm genuinely excited to keep using the Synergel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got more exciting content coming, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!